Oh yeah, there's an evening market going on at Soy Excite, the big parking lot. As you can see here across the street, we're on the right side. But I come back in the evening when it's dark, and I will show you around there also. It would be nice, I think. So here is the market. They're setting up now. In the distance there, go left again, Soy Excite. That's the plan. Turning left. Soy Excite. Yeah, it's mostly clothes here, the market. But I come back in the evenings, okay? I'm gonna end up here, this vlog. I'm gonna start a new one. Yeah, you have some stuff for the kids here. It makes a lot of noise, the train here. I don't know if it derails a lot. There's another attraction for the kids. Here's the night market started, and we're gonna have a look here. Okay, hello. How am I? Smell good, huh?
Hello.
Good job, YouTube. YouTube. Okay. Ah. So it's now about 7:30 in the evening. The market has started now. And you have the usual food stalls here also. A lot of clothes, makeup for the ladies, lingerie. And here we have some toys. Some cheap drones. As you can see. How much for a drone? About? How much? 1,000 baht.
900.
1,900. Okay, okay, okay. Have camera? Have camera? Camera?
Yes.
Photo, take photo.
Photo, yes.
Okay.
I have a video of your phone.
Yeah? Okay, thank you. It's the same?
No.
There's another one.
Not have
Okay, okay.
This one have.
Okay. So yeah, you can buy a drone here for 1,900 baht. I'm not sure if it flies like a DJI. I leave that up to you, but I don't think so. Some fruit juices. As you can see, they make them fresh. The fruit is already inside, and then later they mix it up. They make a nice juice for you. Some more food here. Pad Thai, noodles. And for a landmark, there's the LK hotel, the LK residence. Yeah, I showed you many videos from here before. But they also have a night market here now. Yeah, we end up on Third Road. But I'm gonna turn back here because the music is too loud. Yeah, a lot of food here. In the distance you can see the sign from the P Plus Hotel. So you know where we are. Yeah, some cheap bargains. Yeah, you have some different stuff. Old clocks. Yeah, I think they are wood carved or something. Some more toys. Yeah, some belts, wallets. 100 baht, you can beat that price. Here we have some perfumes. How much? 100? 100 baht, okay. Another tattoo shop. Here we have 3 for 50 baht. As I can read. One is 20 baht. So the prices go down if you walk further. We have some promotion girls here. I don't know about what. More clothes. Yeah. And here you have Soy X side and the other side. If you go that direction, you go to Soy Bukkao. And in that direction is Third Road. Sunglasses. I need some new pairs also. Only 50 baht. That's cheap, huh? I think I buy some here. 50 baht, you can't beat that, huh? I forget my previous classes in Belgium, so I have to buy some new when I do some new bike vlogs. Here, a pair of socks, 15 baht. Here we have shoes and flip-flops, 99 baht, 2 for 180 baht. Here we have something special, what I've not seen before. You can create your own glass here with sand. Yeah, it's a fun thing to do, I think, for the kids. Like some towels, 100 baht. Yeah, I'm just showing you that. You have a little bit an idea about the prices here. Some more belts and wallets. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, these are lights here for on your head. I think we covered it all, huh? Yeah, it's nice to walk around here in the evening. Have a quick visit. Of course, the Tepasit market, the night market in Jomtien is way much bigger than this one. But if you're staying in Pattaya, why not come have a look? So yeah, this was it. Thank you for watching again. Just a quick view here on the market in the center of Pattaya. It's a setup market, and I think it's only in the month December, but I'm not sure about that. I will put it here in the title if I know more about this market. But it's nice to visit. It's just 5-minute walks from Soi Buakhao. It's nice to visit with a girlfriend here. Why not? Big evening going on here at the Soi Excite parking lot. Last week there was a market, and now there's a live band playing. I think some kind of Isan music, I'm not sure. But you have to pay entrance, I think. I might go to the front, to the entrance, and see how it is there. Okay. It looks interesting, but I can't see the crowd from here.
ช่วงแรกในช่วงลำเลืองต่อก่อนครับ
So this is the entrance. I can't figure out how many baht it is. I think 140 baht. Lung Oi. How much?
140 บาทต่อ1 ท่านต่อ1 บาทต่อ1เบอร์
Lung 140.
มีบัตรมีตั๋วเข้าโซภายในครับ มีบัตรมีตั๋วเข้าโซภายในเด้อพี่น้องแฟนๆเด้อมุ่งตรงมาเลยนะครับ
But this is the entrance. There's a little market here outside, but nothing much. And still people are coming in here. Some car parking here. Normally I can't stand here because the bike parking is over there. She was a little bit
ตรงมา
annoyed.
เลยครับตรงมาเลยนะฮะไปครับไปมวนน้ำกันครับ
She was a little bit annoyed. I drive to here.
สุดยอดหมอลำวงใหญ่นะครับประถมบันเทิงศิลป์ครับแฟนๆนะฮะสุดยอดลำเลืองต่อก่อนที่พี่น้องรอคอย
I don't know if it's worth. I pay
ด่วนจีบไปสิริจ่ายกันเลย
140 baht.
นะครับด่วนครับด่วนเลยครับด่วนเลยด่วนเลย
Jesus.
อย่ามองลังเลใจครับอย่ามองลังเลใจ
So see you in another video. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up, maybe a share, and see you. Bye bye. And I'm Soi Excite here, and I'm gonna drive to Soi Buakhao now. Drive a little bit around there. Okay, I'm gonna turn left here. I've never been in this Soi because I think it's a dead end Soi, and if you have no reason to come here, what do you think? I know you are thinking when you're watching that.